Are in the car right now, headed to the Legence show. I'm here with Mom and Elizabeth, and we're so excited. This is the first Fashion Week event that I'm going to, and they actually dressed me for tonight, so I'm wearing this gorgeous velvet hot pink suit. It's so beautiful. We're going for the Spring 2024 presentation. It is at the Capitol building in Soho. I am so excited. I have these silver earrings, my mom's silver Celine purse, and then I'm wearing black heels. So I can't wait to see all the beautiful clothes. It's a gorgeous day here in New York City. We arrived at like 2. Elizabeth came from Miami and is joining us for the weekend. So we just have a lot of really exciting plans, but subscribe if you're new. We're gonna get this vlog started. And of course we have Dad. I saw her like on the catwalk getting her picture taken, and I was just clapping to myself. I'm like, go Danielle! You're like the sweetest person ever. I'm like so upset. I'm so happy we got to find. Or have we met like years ago? I feel like we know each other. Did we? I don't think I've ever met. Okay. I'm just making sure because sometimes with the internet you feel like you know people. No, yeah, I feel like I know you. Yes. Yeah. I will say you're a little shorter than I thought you were. Like, you get that all the time. Yeah, I pose like I'm 6 feet tall. Yes. No, so. Yeah. And I have heels on right now, so like actually I'm this tall. No, and I have heels on too, so you guys. Okay. Yeah. Wait, that's funny. I just had to have her on because like what a moment. I know. Oh my god. I brought my vlog camera. It's okay. You can't do it all. John and Elizabeth. We're having a little drink, we're having a little appetizer, we are catching up, we're rehashing. The Cleveland crew is back together, and it's just amazing. Where are we?
The Little Net.
We're at the Little Net. Oh, I have this fabulous light so you can see me. Welcome back. So we had dinner and then we went to the 9 and had drinks, and then we went to like the downstairs bar. And now we're walking back to the hotel, if you can hear me, in my pink suit. Anyway, we had such a fun night. We just took some pictures.
Wait, Emily Bugs.
Do they look good? Let me see. Let's see.
I'm obsessed.
My God. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Wait, can you airdrop them to me right now?
Good morning, everyone from New York City. It is Friday. I have already gotten this vlog started, but I feel like we haven't officially had time to chat. So it's Friday morning. We are up, ready to go. Elizabeth and my parents actually worked out. I did some work and then got ready for the day. I will share my outfit in a second. But we got in last night. It was very much go, go, go. We landed. We found Elizabeth, drove into the city together. We're staying at Hotel Crosby, which is the cutest hotel. My mom and I had tea here in the fall, and we actually wanted to stay here last time, but it was booked up. So it's a British hotel. It's so cute. It's like very whimsical. I'll show you our room in a second. So then we had like a quick bite to eat, and then I had to change and redo my makeup for Legence, and they actually dressed me for the event, which I think I mentioned. So I had this beautiful, the pink velvet suit on. So we go to the location, and there was like where I had the invitation for the address, and there was a few other girls standing around, and they actually last minute had to switch the location, so we all took an Uber together up to the event, and it was so amazing. I was able to just meet a few people that I follow on Instagram who were super nice, and Brooke Shields was there, which was so cool. We Were What was there. I met one of my friends, Stephanie, who her and I have started following each other for a while, so when I saw she was going, it was really just like nice to meet in person and run around the event together. And Danielle Carolyn, she was in my clip last night. We've been watching each other on YouTube for years, so that was so fun and so cool. The clothes were gorgeous, and just everyone being in L'Agence, you really got to see how many beautiful pieces, and I wanted everything. So then after that, we met back up with I met back up with John and Elizabeth. You guys know my friend John. He goes to school at Fordham, but he's from Cleveland. So then we went to the Ritz. We popped up to the rooftop for a second, which had incredible views of the Empire State Building. Then we went to the Little Ned, which we were able to snag a table, and we had dinner there. And then we went to Acme. Is that how you say it, Elizabeth?
We went to the Nines first.
Oh, I forgot about that. Oh my God.
Acme opened.
I went to the 9 first, and then when Acme opened at like 10, we went downstairs. We were back here at like 11, so it really wasn't too late, and then we had the most amazing sleep. Elizabeth's still getting ready. It was so quiet too, which I'm like really thrown off by.
Like insulation.
Yeah, no, it's really nice insulation here. So I think I slept on my face, or maybe I just had too much like cheese last night, but feeling a little puffy, but super excited for today. It's going to be another gorgeous weather day. The only thing that this Friday's like our slower day because I have 2 events tomorrow. So we have drinks later on with some gals, but for the most part today, we're just going to bop around Soho. We're going to do some shopping. My dad has a work lunch, so he's going to go to that. And then the three chickens are gonna go clucking around the city. We're gonna go get breakfast first because we woke up starving as well, which I'm not really sure why that's the case, but we're gonna get breakfast, and then, you know, we don't need an agenda when it's the 3 of us. Like we know what we're gonna do. This is the hotel room. I should have shown you when we showed up yesterday, but when the bed's made, I'll give you like a better tour. We really just kind of exploded everything everywhere. But look at this gorgeous wall covering and the really pretty little couch with the pillows. We said that it was kind of giving the Parker in Palm Springs, and then we have this huge like industrial window. I love the drapes. This bed was so comfortable. Let me share my look for today. Elizabeth cannot stop singing. You're so vain. So this is what I'm wearing. It's super simple, but I have a really pretty coat, which is kind of like the focal point of the outfit. So I'm wearing this new gray sweater, which is from Cezanne. They actually gifted it to me. They have really nice knits and super great basics that are just gonna last you forever. These really pretty lion, like, door knocker earrings.
Yeah, where did you get those?
They're from Lacey Lurch. They sent them to me.
Serious?
Aren't they so cool?
Yeah.
I keep getting so many compliments on them. I just threw a belt on because I felt like we needed something to anchor the pant. I'm kind of giving work. I'm actually wearing my L'Agence pants in honor of last night, and then I'm wearing these little Western like cowgirl boots to walk around, but I need to switch my socks, and then just normal jewelry. But I have this really grand coat from English Factory that I'm gonna put on, and then I'm gonna take my Prada, but I'm gonna do like a crossbody. Elizabeth, what's going on with you?
So I don't really like this outfit,
Okay.
and I was wondering if I could borrow one of your coats, but I don't want to take like your nice one.
Here, come here, show what you're wearing.
So I'm wearing this Veronica Beard sweater, but it doesn't look okay with these jeans, which are from Mother, and then this is just L'Agence t-shirt. But what I would like to wear is my sneakers, because my foot is still like hurting.
Great, she got her little toe surgery.
Yeah, like I got like a surgery.
It's a mole removed.
No, literally, guys, it's like still like,
yeah, it's like a hole.
swollen,
It's
and, like,
bad.
It's a whole thing. So I want to wear my sneakers and then just a black shirt and a scarf and a coat.
Okay, well, offline, let's figure this out so you can be comfortable, but I like all the pieces. This is kind of what we're working with right now. It's giving business.
Well, we always are networking.
Always. Hi friends, so it is Friday. We just did a big shopping moment at Zara, and now we're gonna keep walking around. I think we're gonna go to Bloomingdale's next. It's a gorgeous day here in Soho, and yeah, we're just gonna keep shopping and bopping around. Hi Elizabeth.
Soho right now, and we just saw Tyler Cameron. I got like a few clips. I'm definitely putting it in this vlog, but we were walking, like we were like right in front of him, and then Elizabeth saw him. I was like on my phone, and she goes, Emily, and I looked right up, and it was him. He was with a girl. I think he has a girlfriend. She was blonde.
So I stared into his soul. He stared at me, and we like saw each other.
Yeah, and then we kept staring at him getting into a car. Now we're taking some pictures, and we're gonna go into David Yurman.
Okay, so now we've stopped for some afternoon coffee at this adorable Vesuvio bar, and I have taken over. Look how cute, little oat milk latte. And I've been working there for like 4 years.
Hey, hi friends. So we're here at Creators Loft, and we just shot for Spade, which is great, and has been helping me, and we got to see a lot of girls from when we were here in the fall. And then there's a panel at 1, but they gifted me this gorgeous bag from Spade, and it's gonna be so perfect for the spring. And then they also just gave me a beautiful watch, which let me see if I can show you. Looks like this. It is so pretty. So the Kate Spade team gave that to us, and we're here in this really cool space, which is amazing. And yeah, just connected with a lot of different people. I'll try to get some more clips, but it's going very well. Up at Kate Spade, and now we're gonna hightail it up to Francis Valentine for the next event. Where's Waldo? Looks like you don't have feet. Cute, Elizabeth. Hi, Dad. Had the vlog. Oh, let's get a picture. Oh, that's cute.